А нет, не все понимают.
На улице еще? Значит, двери. Так что ожидаем паузу.
Waking me up in the morning, saying you ain't never gonna leave my sky. But you know I love you, baby. But you just a little crazy, yeah. Said you're crazy, just a little crazy. Like my mama. When I was here last, and ever since I left, I just wanted to come back. So thank you. And may I be the first to welcome you to the Last Dance World Tour. You know, my curtain call, my last bow to the Jason that you've once known, and a hello to the new era, right? Now, that brings me to think about like who has been listening to me from the very beginning. Anybody in here? I'm talking about my day ones. We got any day ones in the house tonight? I'm talking about day ones, like 2009, day one. Well, I think it's only right that we bring this thing back, way back to the. Stand up,
Everybody on your feet right now.
Now this song has been taking the world by storm. You know, it's been a huge, huge blessing. The song is not even out yet. It comes out on Friday. But with that being said, I think we're ready to perform it for y'all right now. It's called Mi Chico. Say, just say you could use me, 'cause it's the day. I've been able to travel the world with this man, and he has changed the meaning of what DJing is. If you will, please help me give it up for Sensational! Best in the world. I've been fortunate enough to play with a lot of musicians, but up here on this stage, I promise you are some of the world's greatest musicians. If you will, help me give it up for my band, y'all! And I've been able to, dance with a lot of incredible dancers all over the world, but I have scoured the earth to find the world's greatest. And up here on this stage, I believe are the world's greatest dancers. If you give it up for my dancers, yeah!
And now, Moscow, if you will, please, give it up for the superstar right now. A man who has sold over 250 million records worldwide. A man with more than 20 million views on YouTube. A man with more than 200 million followers across all social media platforms.
what a dream come true it is to come somewhere so far away from where I'm from and to receive all this love. So I want to thank you again from the bottom of my heart. And whatever it is that you dream about, I want you to go after with everything that you got. I don't care how many times you've been told no, how many times you've been told that your dream is impossible or too far-fetched. I want you to go after it with everything that you got. Because at the end of the day, life is short, but it's so much better and so much stretched out if you do the things that you love to do. Experience the things that you want to experience. Life is very, very short. So whatever that dream is, I want you to go after it. Whatever. I believe in you. You should believe in me too. I love you. God bless you. Big Chico! It's on this Friday, man.
Thank you.